Today on the Adventures of Monks.
On your marks, get set, play!
I'm not picking up too well.
His name is Monks. Here's a skeleton. His name is Monks. He wants to be your new best friend. But being a monkey is hard. Convincing people you're alive. And what fits like a glove is the story of your life. His name is Monks. He'll be with us till the end. 'Cause we can't find his dad. His next adventure is about to begin. The Adventures of Monks.
Hello, best friends, and welcome to What's Wednesday with Monks. We're gonna get started quick here, because we have a big surprise today. And the big surprise is coming out of that Mickey Mouse bucket. Mickey Mouse came to join us. I love Mickey. He's one of my really good friends. Anyway, let's look inside and see what Mickey has for us. Wow. Do you know what this is? Yeah! Remote control. Let's keep looking. Another remote control. A blue race car. A red race car. Whoa, how fun! We've got a blue race car and a red race car and remote controls for both of them. Let's look. Each of the race cars have this little button on the side, and when you push the button, the little guy goes flying off. So the goal with the race cars is to have a race with them and to try to push the other car's button. And whoever can push the other car's button and send the guy flying off wins. Do you think the red car or the blue car would win? Yeah, I'm not sure, but I know how we can find out. Let's get my roommates to help us have a competition with the cars and see who wins. It'll be fun. Let's go. Okay, here we are at the arena, and we have Rhett on the red car, and we've got Miles on the blue car. All right, gentlemen, you both know the rules of the game. If you fall off the table, you are out, and if your little guy gets knocked off your car, then you are out. We will do best 2 out of 3. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
I want a nice, clean game, okay? On your marks, get set, play!
I'm not picking up too well.
Oh! Good job, Rhett! Good job, Rhett! Sorry, Miles. Okay, you can see that, Miles' little guy fell. Can we see that in slow motion? Great, yeah. So you can see that, Miles' little guy fell off, so we'll go for round 2. Round 2, everybody. Round 2! All right, begin! Oh! Okay, so this time Red's guy fell off. Good job, guys. That's oh! Who did that? Who did that? Okay. All right, let's move into round 3. This is a big deal. Round 3 tiebreaker. Big old tiebreaker. Okay, here we go for round 3. All right, you ready, gentlemen?
Yes.
Okay, on your marks, get set, ride! This is gonna be close! Don't fall off the edge! Oh! Toro! Good job, Rhett! You're the winner!
I'm a winner.
Rhett's the winner! Let's have some after the fact interviews. Miles Miles, how are you feeling right about now? You had a hard loss today.
It's pretty devastated right now, actually.
Yeah. It's hard losing, but why don't you give our best friends, our viewers, some words of encouragement, what you can do even when you lose.
You know, just never give up.
Yeah.
Never surrender. Follow your dreams.
Yeah, those are good words.
One day you'll make it.
Yeah, okay, alright, thanks Miles, that's great. Let's go to the winner's circle. Alright, why don't you tell us, how do you feel about winning today?
Oh, I feel great. I feel like I drove hard, I drove fast, I drove harder and faster than Miles. I was tenacious, more tenacious than Miles will ever even dream of. I hit him off twice, he only hit me off once, and you know, coming into that third round, I knew that it was all or nothing, and I just shut him down.
Yeah, well you did a really good job, Red, and congratulations on winning. And is there anything else you want to say to our viewers?
Play nice.
Yeah, play nice, everyone. Wow, that was really good. Congratulations, Rat.
Thanks, Moms.
Well, thanks so much for watching, new best friends, and that was so fun, and it looks like these guys are going to play a little bit more, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, and watch us all the time. Love you so much, new best friends. Bye! Careful. Careful. Hey, what are you guys doing?